Hello friends, this is Haya Arafat. Hope all of you are safe and doing good today. In this channel, I will be introducing about idioms on a weekly basis. So please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified immediately. So, what is an idiom? An idiom is a phrase or an expression that has a different meaning from the literal meaning. So now let's go ahead and look at an example. On cloud 9, what does that mean? It means being extremely happy or being overjoyed. Let's use this phrase in a few sentences. Malak was on cloud 9 when it was winter. This little girl Malak was extremely happy when it was winter because she was able to play and enjoy the snow. Instead of using the word extremely happy, we can use the phrase on cloud 9. Malak was on cloud 9 when it was winter. The next example is Meera was on cloud 9 because she had discovered something new. Now what's the meaning of discover? The meaning of discover is finding out. When Meera found out something new, she was on cloud 9. Next, my parents were on cloud 9 when I was born. Likewise, your parents also must have been on cloud 9 when you were born. Next, Kayan was on cloud 9 when he received a trophy. Next is the best example. Grandma was on cloud 9 when she saw her grandchildren after many years. Okay friends, so on any occasion when you are extremely happy, make sure to use the phrase on cloud 9. Practice makes perfect. Alright, we are done for today. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel.